Hello again, YouTube. I am back. Today I'm working on a Kenmore Smart Heat Quiet Pack 9 dryer. So the complaint was it wasn't it wasn't heating. So I came out recently, turned it on, ran it. It was working fine. It's actually my aunt's dryer. So I'm being a nice guy and helping her out. What I also did was I snaked out the line with my That had a lot of lint buildup in there. First I thought it was overheating and the thermal switch was shutting out, kicking it off, because there was a lot of lint, and the lint goes probably about 20 feet back through the wall outside to the thing. So I don't know if any of you guys ever bought these, but you can buy these kits on Amazon. And what it is, it's like a bottle brush, and each one screws together. It's a fiberglass rod. I think it comes out like 25 feet long, but you put them all together. You put it in your exhaust pipe for the I'm by my brain fart. You put it in the exhaust for the the lint, the dryer exhaust. You run it down there, and you put your drill motor on it, and you put each stick together, and they just kind of screw together. So you can clean the thing out. I'm sure you look on YouTube. There's plenty of people that have put them on and clean their lint lines out. So anyways, so here's the problem I was having with this. I'd go to turn it on, put it on for you. Right now, it's not going to run because I have the part that was bad was actually disconnected. So I'll show you what I did. Turn it on. If you look down below here, here's your gas valve, your burner assembly in the back there. This is the blower unit that blows all the hot air out of the exhaust. So what it does is the heat, the burner comes on. I don't know if you can kind of see it. That's the igniter right there, that white thing. It'll start glowing. So first thing you want to look at, turn it on. The igniter should start glowing. Your gas valve will then turn on. You'll see the flame go. The flame should run for a little bit. And if it doesn't run, if it runs and shuts off right away, usually your flame rod can be dirty or bad. It's a common symptom. Or in this case, it would run sometimes and it wouldn't. And I'd turn it on and it'd just stop. Like, what the heck's going on here? So what I found out was the thermal cutout switch. Where did I just put it? Here it is. This guy right here. It's a thermal cutout switch. And what this thing does is when the dryer gets too hot, where it blows the exhaust air out, see the gas is going to come in, fire's going to burn, it's going to go out through the exhaust at the top. Pull this thing, and then the airflow pulls in through, all the heat goes into the dryer, and it blows with this blower motor inside here with a housing that shoots out that pipe, which goes out to your exhaust. So the actual thermal cutout switch, let me show you. It's going to be right here on, that right there, those two wires, that's going to be your thermistor. That measures the temperature. But you also have a thermal fuse switch, which is back right where I have the tape on it. So we can get in. See that tape? There's a little hole, and that thing kind of sits on the actual thing. So what I did was to test it out. You put your meter on resistance. You can do resistance, or you can do oh, there we go. I usually do a continuity check, so it beeps. So if I do this, beep. So this switch is normally closed. So what you should do is put a lead on there and the other lead on there. Let me kind of see if I can do this with one hand. It's freaking tough, man. Let's do this. Boom. There we go. I should have continuity right now. So if there's no continuity, that means that this switch is open. If this switch is open, meaning not engaged, what it will do is it won't turn on the burner assembly. So first thing I would look for when you come in here is come inside on that down below there, look for the thermal cutout fuse. Take the wires off it and test continuity on it. See, that right there is a sign that it's good. If you get a reading like that, you're good. So, what I did to bypass it, you can kind of see in here, I taped it off because I got to order the switch. But the wires that go to it, literally all you have to do is tape them together, or just close them off together, cycle it, and if that burner comes on and keeps running, then that switch is bad. So that's just the way you can kind of check it. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I can get into more videos next time I work on stuff, but yeah, this is if your thermal cutout fuse is broken or bad. So, alright, thank you again for watching my videos. I appreciate it, guys. I like to put more on, but it's hard to record when, you know, people are around and stuff. So, do me a favor, leave a comment. Any other dryer problems I can help you with if you have any questions on these things. They're pretty simple. Yeah, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Alright, thanks again, and have a nice day.